Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making whitening or lightening body lotion. My equipment are well sterilized, so we are just starting. So here we are measuring our base cream. This is base cream that I made myself. It's very thick, so that when I'm done mixing the lotion with my ingredients, the lotion will not be watery, as I don't like watery lotions. So here I am measuring 100 grams of this thick lotion. We are making 300 grams batch size of this, so I only need 100 grams of this very thick cream. So there you have it. That is 100 grams of my very thick cream. And take note, this cream is plain. It doesn't contain any ingredient. It's just waxes, butter and oils, and then preservative. No any added ingredient in this base cream. So here we are measuring our first ingredient, which is our kojic acid powder. Kojic acid powder is very good when it comes to fading dark spots, skin lightening, brightening, softening of the skin, and exfoliating also. So it's very good powder. We are measuring 10 grams of this in this formulation, so keep watching. So all the ingredients we are using are organic, so this lotion will brighten your skin and it will be safe. You don't have to worry about anything side effect whatsoever. It will lighten your skin a great deal, and you will love it. So I'll be measuring my distilled water. That is what I'll be using. That's the solvent I'll be using to dissolve these powders that I'll be using. So the total water I use is 60 grams. So feel free to use either rose water or lemon hydrosol, any hydrosol of your choice. You can use this, but in this formulation we are using distilled water. Is equally safe. Please know that you cannot use any tap water or anything other than distilled water or hydrosols, please. So here we are dissolving our kojic acid powder. Is water soluble, so we're just going to put that in our cream. So even if you have kojic dip and you decided you want to use it, not kojic acid, is good. Just know that kojic dip is oil soluble, so you need to dissolve it with oil and with like double boiling before it fully dissolve, I believe. Then you can just put it in your formulation. So right here is kojic acid, and like I said, is water soluble. I love this powder. Okay, so we'll now mix. The reason why I'm just mixing after putting my ingredient is because I don't want to beat it with a hand mixer. I feel like the lotion is small. I don't need to beat it with a hand mixer or something. I can just mix it manually with my hand and I'll be good, right? So the next ingredient is my niacinamide powder. I love niacinamide. Like, if you've been following my channel, I use it in virtually all my formulations. It's a very good powder. That's vitamin B3. It helps with oil control, dark spots, lightening, balancing your skin, oil production, and a lot of goodies. Like, it helps with acne, it helps with pimples. It's very good powder. So I measured 10 grams as well of this powder. Is very good. I cannot formulate lotion without this powder. So the same water that I measured earlier, the 60 grams water, is I think I measured 50 something, but then I end up using 60 grams total water in this formulation. So here we have it. You dissolve your powders and you put it in your lotion. The reason why let me even tell you, I like making my base lotion first, then incorporating my powders afterwards. I don't like using heating powders together with waxes. I feel like it's reduce the potency of the powders, and I don't like that. So our next ingredient is white licorice powder. White licorice powder is also a lightening powder. It enhances the effectiveness of the rest of the powders. It gives you that light skin, just radiant, glowing skin. So I love this powder in virtually all my formulations. So we are measuring just 5 grams of this powder in our formulation. We are dissolving the powder and also incorporating it in our lotion. So don't forget, we train. If you want to start your skincare brand, you want to know how to formulate product from scratch, you want to know how to pre-mix product, our number is on the screen. You can just chat us and we'll start the training, right? So our powder is fully dissolved. We will now just put it in our cream. Please make sure to dissolve your powders fully. Like, don't just put raw powder inside your formulation. Make sure to dissolve it, stir it very well, dissolve your powder, okay, and then put it in your cream, please. The reason why we are doing this is because we don't heat it right from the beginning when we are making our lotion. So here, if you just putting it on top, you have to make sure that it's fully dissolved before you can put it in your cream. So as you can see, our cream is taking shape, right? So we'll now go to our next powder, which is our sepiwhite. We are using sepiwhite also in this formulation. All these powders I told you are organic powders, organic lightening powders. There are a lot of organic whitening or lightening powders out there. It's just left for you to know which powder to use, which combination of powders to use in order to get effective results. So all this you will learn them in my skincare training course, right? So it's very important for you to join the training if you want to start your own skincare brand, because there are a lot of things you need to know in skincare formulation, not only what you see in YouTube videos. So here we are dissolving our sepiwhite powder. We measured that powder 10 grams also, and then we are just melting it and then putting it in our cream, right? So by just putting these powders, like, our cream has already loosened up, you see. So guys, don't worry, I love using very thick cream, because whatever you use, being it oil, being it dissolved powders, the cream will still give you that texture that you're looking for. Because the last thing I need right now, like in this Ramadan, is a very, very light cream that even if you rub, no one will know you rub. Like, even your skin will not know you rub cream, right? So it's very important when making formulation, when making a cream for yourself or for your clients in this Ramadan or winter, you make sure the cream is worth it, like it's fully moisturized. So our next ingredient is our papaya oil. Remember the papaya oil I did is in my video collection. You can check it out and see how I make this. So we are measuring 20 grams of this oil. It's very good oil. It lightens, it contains vitamin A, C, E. It's very, very good oil. So I like making oils, like making my own oils, not all these oils in the market, because I feel like when I make all these natural oils myself, they are more effective, So I like making natural oils myself. So this is papaya. If you're watching this channel, you will know how to make oils yourself. So our next ingredient is our vitamin E antioxidant, right? So it's very good also in this formulation. We measured 5 grams, right? So we are also putting it in this formulation. It will help boost this lotion. It's very good. Again, we'll go in with our last ingredient, which is our preservative. We are using Germa Plus preservative. If you've been following this channel, you know I love Germa Plus preservative. It's very good when it comes to preserving skincare product. It can preserve your skincare products for like 5 years without spoiling. So it's very, very good preservative, other than the rest of the preservatives we have. I just like working with this. So right here, I think we are done putting our ingredients. It's just left for us to mix our lotion very, very well, to help all the ingredients incorporate fully well. And then our lotion is ready. Like, guys, just use this lotion. It's not all the time that you have to be using chemicals on your skin, right, in order to lighten. This is safe lightening lotion. This is so safe. You can use it for your face and for your body, all because the base cream I use is for both face and body. So please subscribe.